How do you find out what you actually want in life? You lean into what you think you want and take action toward it. That's the best answer I can give you because here's what I've learned. Action breeds more clarity than thought. I spent the majority of my teen years thinking that what I wanted to do with my time on earth was to become a CEO of a multinational firm until I joined a corporate conglomerate and realized that's not what I want. A few years later, I spent the majority of my time at Google, dreaming of becoming an entrepreneur and building the next big unicorn startup until I launched my own company and realized that's not what I actually want. Action breeds more clarity than thought because, at the end of the day, you will only learn, improve, and figure it out by doing. You'll learn how to cook by cooking. When you lean into your curiosity and walk the path, you will gain experience, and the answer to what you actually want will reveal itself to you as you work toward what it is you think you want. You'll master the art of writing by sitting down to write every day. All you need, then, is a direction to move into. All you need is the where, not the how. Once you begin to walk the path and trust the process, the answers begin to reveal themselves to you, and the way begins to appear. That's why you can't think your way into a new life. You have to act your way into one.